September 22nd, 2020 vocabulary. So we have 4 boxes here with a circle in the middle. In the middle it says order of operations. So that's what we are learning this week. There's a box for the definition, an example, my own, and illustration. So what we are going to start with is the definition box. So we are going to type the definition of the order of operations here. Hint, you can review your slides from yesterday, or you can follow along with me. So our slides from yesterday say the order of operations are the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. So you can put that for the definition. The rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. Now we can look at the example. So over here it says type or insert an image example of the order of operations here. So what I can do, I can you can either type an example or you can put an image. It does not have to be the same as mine at all. You can do whatever you want to do. You can make it your own. I'm going to search an image maybe of the order of operations. So on your screen there should be a drop down arrow that will help you see all of these options up top. But if not, you can go to this little image, and I'm going to search the web. And I'm going to search for order of operations. So the order of operations, we have many different examples. So here's an example using our PEMDAS. So I'm going to pull this out here. Woo! It's a little big there. What I'm going to do, we have our parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, kind of in a pyramid style. You do not have to use this if you don't want to, but you are more than welcome to if you would like. So now let's go ahead to the my own. So the my own box, it says type your own example of the order of operations here. So there are multiple different things you can do. So for example, we can do 2 plus 7 times 3. So if we have 2 plus 7 times 3 and we solve this, so you can put that there. We can also solve this. So according to the order of operations, we have to do the multiplication first. So I am going to highlight that. So I'm going to bring down that 2 plus because we did not use that. And then I know that 7 times 3 is 21. Now all we have left to do is 2 plus 21, which is going to give us 23. So that is our answer for my own example. You can create your own example and solve it. You can create any kind of example that you want. Now let's take a look at the illustration. So we can either explain or insert an image of what you think of when you hear the order of operations. So when I think of the order of operations, I think of PEMDAS. So I think of please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Which also means parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So that's just what I think of when I think of the order of operations. You can also put add, subtract, multiply, division. You can put those symbols in here as well. That also works, but you can make it your own, and you do not have to do exactly what I did.